So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you a PySpark coding question asked in LTIMindtree, and in last two videos I have in one of video I have explained you whole the interview process of LTIMindtree. Okay, recently LTIMindtree is taking a walk-in interviews, or you can say the face-to-face interviews. Okay, and the second video I have explained you a proper SQL coding question whatever they ask. Okay, and in this third video I am explaining you a PySpark coding question. So yes, let me execute. Okay, so let me show you or display this query. Yes, so now what this is the table we have, and I will give you what is the actual question is. So we have this country code in contact number, right? Plus 91, plus 1, plus 44, 91, 61, and 1. Okay, so now the question is to create a new column called country and need to populate the country name. Okay, so for that they have given this country dictionary. Okay, so now how to populate that? Let's get start. So first here I'm trying to import all the required libraries. Okay, here we required a map, create map for creating the mapping, then lead for creating some functions, right? Split we need to utilize, and then again we have column and all, right? So yes, so also we are using here the chain. So chain is kind of iterable where we can utilize to iterate the single elements from the list. Okay, it's kind of. So let me try to create a map here. So I will call it as a country map, and the country map here, let me create map. What I need to create is I need to use the literal. What is the actual literal value is depend on what we will call like for from X in chain of country dictionary. Yes, we want to fetch it from the country, right? So each single item we want to fetch, and we are calling it as X, and this X will be literal. So I will pass it here. So yes, our country map is ready, and then now we need to extract the country code. And okay, function is not subscriptable. Okay, create map, right? Then late for, sorry, here I have considered it, I have given a square bracket, it should be a round bracket. Okay, yes. So now create a proper country code, or you can say the cleaning the contract data information. So let me call it as a data frame transformation or transform. This is my employees table with I will call it as a with column country code. We'll call it as a country code, and sorry, now here we will use the split one. Here we want to split. What we want to split is we want to split the column. Which column? Country number, right? So country number column we want to split. In what basis? We want to split it the help of space, right? And we want to fetch the first, you can say the element. So that's why we are using 0. And let me display. Yes, see here we are getting the proper country code now. So I yes, the similarly we need to populate the country. You can say just country, we can call it as a country. So let me use data transform with column name is country, right? And now here we want to map it. So country map we created, right? So we have created country map function above, and in it in which basis we want to pass, we want to map this with a country code, right? So we can pass this country code here. And let me display here. Hmm, column object is not callable, sorry, here it should be like this. Yes, we are able to populate the country. But let's finalize the data frame. Then df dot I can say, sorry, I can see it as a result equals to this one instead of display. First, I will drop this country code as I don't require this drop country code, and let me consider result dot display. So I think hope you understand the things how we are implementing. And yes, as I mentioned, please let me know your answer or solution if we have the big mapping information how you will implement it. Hope you understand. Thanks you for watching this video. Thank you.